My name is Bino Jean Yang from Isabuan. So now, how to overcome a difficulties faced by the student in academic life. So, before we will start to my speeches, allow me to ask a very simple questions. So, have you have you guys ever complained about your school, your teachers, or being as a student? So, I think mostly 99% of you, everyone may say yes, because we actually complain when we face the challenge or difficulties, the experiences is in difficulties in a real life. In a real life, it is not something new. This is simplified because of this, of the fact that everybody isn't always learning, and it is entails that an individual would be facing something difficulties. So this is also hold true when it comes to student. It isn't common for them to face a number or of the issues throughout the academic life. So the reason why it is the importance or important for them to be aware of those difficulties beforehand, so that one can spend enough resources trying to manage of those issues and difficult difficulties. One of the common problem which is the student faces in the academic is the lives in that one end up to constantly experiencing low demotivation or motivation levels. So this can be quite difficult for the student to deal with. So this is the edge of um, digitalization, which means that are there are many potential things that are represents the environments of the student or as a student, no? This further implies that it is easier to them to get it distracted and loses their focus. Hence, they should define a quick and solutions to deal with the problems. So another one or another common problem they might face is trying to remember things. As a student, one is expected to learn the certain, the fact, and the also theories. So can be a very difficult for a student. So who has a trouble in remembering stuff? Every student can have a different the natural dispositions. They also have to work on many papers. Work and sometimes the burning of those can get too much. However, a number of things could be a right and more. The permanent solutions to issues which the student is facing the academic lives. So when it comes to the issues, it's related to assignments and study the patterns, the possible solutions or solution is to learn how to manage time. So effectively, this means that they should give the appropriate time to themselves to complete the academic task at their own pace. It is the best to rush oneself and avoid the procrastinating. Being a student can be hard, and it is understandable that they might not always have very positive. So the attitude, however, it is the importance to make a conscious the effort to remain more or the optimistic through the day. This will ensure that they will have the energy and the management or and the mindset to deal with some everyday problem isn't easier to effective manner. We, we all have the choice in every morning. We have the two choices. You continue to sleep with the hour dreams or wake up and chase them. There are no shortcuts to any place, work, going. Life is a particularly is the continuous ongoing the process that has to end someday. It is the never-ending journey. Inclined with life are the challenges that we need to take and overcome. It is the nothing, a journey with a lesson, hardship, hard touch, and especially moments. This will lead us to our success, destinations, and to see the purpose of life. So that's all for today. Thank you.